In honor of Mother's Day coming soon, we will be making a pansy and a vase. This may be in a two-part section because the pansy does take quite a while to make. So what I'm going to do is we'll start with the vase first, copy, and then come to the other slide. This shape right here is a circle. Actually, it's more of an oblong. And what I'm going to do is put it directly in the middle. I'm going to choose this green color. Put it right there in the middle of the page. You can get your grids out. Make sure you put your grids up. And go to Edit Shape, Edit Point. And I just brought it straight up. And if I stay on that line, I can kind of make an egg. And then I needed a flat bottom. Just brought it down. And I think that's good. Okay. If you select the egg shape first and then the rectangle, subtract. And now I'm not crazy about that one. I want a little bit smaller. So I'll bring it down. Right there. Okay, we'll keep it that way. I'll make it a little fatter. Then I'll insert this rectangle rounded corners for the top of my vase. Choose the color, size it to how you want it. Select both, and there's the vase. Now this shape right here, just to decorate the vase, insert, and I went down here to this arrow quad on the block arrows. And I filled it with a color. Let's go red. And I took this circle right up here. Actually, that's not what I did. I took this circle and just kind of came out all the way. And you can come out as far as you want. Let's see what this one does. That one makes a really cool one too. So make it small, bring it in. And I made 3 of them. So copy, paste, Control C, Control V. And since all 3 don't fit on there, I'm going to make my vase just a tad bigger so that they do fit. Okay. And then what I did is I put a triangle in between. So come up. Sorry, it's a diamond. Sorry. It's a diamond. And I colored it blue. You can color any color you want. Copy, paste, and bring over another one. And here is our vase. Another thing that I'm going to teach you, since I have a little bit more time, is that will be for the leaf. I made a round triangle. So insert, there is not a round triangle here. So I'm going to color it just a color that I can see. Insert a circle. And I didn't want it a full round one, I wanted just a mini one. So I made it oval. And come and put it right next to the edge that it on the both sides, if you see right here. Copy, paste. This one I do want more round. Bring it so it is right there flush with the 2 edges of the triangle. and I'm using the Alt key to get it so it will go into place instead of snapping into place. And I just want to make sure it's right there on that edge. Okay, in order to take that away, insert this one right here on the lines. It's called Freeform Shape. And go ahead and find that where it's touching right next to that rectangle. Click. We're left clicking, and then click at the other side. And then we're just going to try to come back without touching that tip. Go ahead and left click on the triangle and then left click on the shape that you just drew and subtract. See how that subtract that? Well, you're going to do that for all three of them. So come over here to this curved line, click, click, and then just make click. Okay. Subtract. See how we're making that? Next, we have to do it again. Click, 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 click. I just went around that edge and subtract. Then you can take all of them, select all, come to Format, Merge Shapes as a Union, and it gave me this. And the reason why I have this is for the leaf. And I'm going to be changing the leaf color. Whoops. Go ahead and copy and paste. I'm just making it a little bit longer. Copy, paste. And the reason why is I want to have these edges like this. Then I'll take the first one, which is selected over here, turn it upside down. I will select all of them and merge them together as a union. Now that's going to be my leaf. It looks a little different on the first page, but you can format and the fill, and you can go gradient and it turned gray, but we can change these colors. I'm going to go with a dark green, a medium green, and a light green. And then go ahead and mess around with which way you want. I kind of like that one, but go ahead and linear, that's nice too. Path, radial, I do like the radial, so I'm going to keep the radial for the next time that we do the pansy. So we will copy and paste, and we have two sides, make one just a little bit smaller for our leaf of the pansy.